As we figured out before, Facebook Audience Insights is an analytical tool to learn more about specific groups of people like your fans, your current customers, website visitors, or the people in your market. But here's the big question: where does that data come from? Well, the data comes from two main sources. The first main source is self-reported Facebook data. This is the information given by Facebook users when they fill in their profile information, including their location, their gender, age, relationship status, job title, pages to like, and much more. Okay? And the second part of the data comes from third-party data partners. These partners are so-called data mining companies who have only one purpose, and that is gathering, segmenting, and structuring as much information as they can. These companies provide data such as household income, purchasing behavior, home value, and much more. And the great thing is that it's really easy to access this information for us, and in the next training modules, you will discover how to do it.